So Wednesday, I posted 120 degrees. 123 degrees was the temperature on my car. And we just had the biggest snowstorm, biggest hailstorm I've ever seen in Phoenix. Knocked down trees down across the street. I don't think you can see it yet. But here's the leftover hail that's mounted up in the side of our house. There's the hail from this hailstorm. I'm gonna hook that in the refrigerator because I love that kind of ice. It's just like you get at Sonic. Wow. It's cold. Well, it's frozen. Unbelievable. Look at that. It's up 6 inches over there. All the way along the edge of the house. Whew. Knocked down my flagpole. All built up down around there. Look at that. Look at that. That's a lot of hail that just came down. Show them this, baby.
That's just by the garage. So that stacked in all the corners.
That's a lot of hail. Whew.
Yeah, he's videotaping.
I would love to have that all piled up in the refrigerator because I love that kind of ice. Fire engines are blaring. Whew. That was one big storm. Mom and I just held on to each other because it was scary. The clouds are still thundering on the lightning is thundering out there. Mom's calling me, so I'm gonna go see what she wants. Yes, ma'am?
Please stay under the shelter. He's very busy videotaping.
Yeah, we are. So I know.
I know.
Wow. Signing off from hot and cold Phoenix.